Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to show you how to make a rosette cake. So let's get started. First you're going to need cakes. I'm using chocolate cake because it's my family's favorite, but you can use any cake you like. To make the frosting, I'm choosing to use a stand mixer, but you can use an electric hand mixer if you don't have one. So into the bowl, add in the softened butter, and beat it on a medium-high speed for 5 minutes until it's really light and pale. And scrape down the sides when you need to make sure everything is mixing, but since my paddle attachment has rubber on it, it scrapes the sides as it's mixing, so I don't need to scrape down the sides very much. Then sift the powdered sugar in a separate medium bowl to add air and to get rid of lumps. Then with the mixer running on low speed, add in about half of the powdered sugar, 1 spoonful at a time. Once half of the powdered sugar is added, beat it on medium-high speed for another 3 minutes. Then turn it back onto low speed and add in the rest of the powdered sugar, 1 spoonful at a time. Then add in heavy cream or milk, 1 tablespoon at a time until it reaches a frosting-like consistency. Try not to make it too runny or the rosettes will not hold their shape. When it reaches a frosting-like consistency, beat it on medium-high speed for another 2 minutes. Then add in the vanilla extract. Mix it in until it's combined. Then finish it by hand to combine all the ingredients. To tell if the frosting is stiff enough, take a scoop of the frosting and hold it upside down. If it doesn't fall off the spoon, it's stiff enough. Then remove the cakes from the pans and trim the tops to make sure they're flat. Spread a little frosting on the cake board so the cake sticks to it. Add the first cake layer, making sure it's centered. Spread on some of the frosting. Add the second cake layer on top. Spread on some frosting. And add the last cake layer upside down on the top so the top is nice and flat. Then cover the whole cake in a thin layer of frosting. And place the cake into the fridge for 30 minutes or the freezer for 10 minutes until the frosting is set and no longer sticky. Then remove the cake from the fridge or freezer and cover it in another thin layer of frosting. Don't worry if it's not perfect because it will be covered up by the rosettes. Just don't use too much frosting or there won't be enough to pipe the rosettes. Then color the remaining frosting whatever color you would like the rosettes to be. I'm choosing to do different shades of pink, but you can make the whole thing one color or make multiple colors. It's totally up to you. Then add it into a piping bag fitted with an open star piping tip. And to make the rosettes, just pipe swirls all over the cake. And that's how to make a rosette cake. I hope you enjoyed this video, and I have so many more on my channel, so be sure to check them out and subscribe for more. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you next time.